Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania issued a snow squall warning. Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania. Central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania. Central Pennsylvania. Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania. Northern Dawson County in south central Pennsylvania. Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania. Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania. Central Julietta County in central Pennsylvania. Southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania. Southeastern Montour County in central Pennsylvania. Columbia County in central Pennsylvania. Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania. Until 1:15 p.m. Until 1:15 p.m. 11 counties. 11:15 a.m. Snow squall was located along a line extending from central to Creamer to near Blacklaw to Everett to Berlin, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: extremely poor visibility. Snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Danville
Then of course he died on me.
exits, specifically from 26 to 247. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 147 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 151 and 184, and from mile markers 187 to 230. Interstate 81 between 59, between mile markers 61 and 64, and from mile markers 106 to 139. This snow squall will be near Central, Waller, Jameson City, Port Trevorton, and Miserville around noon. Crystal Springs, Valley High, Rebuck, and Urban around 12:10 p.m. Harrisonville, Leckkill, Saluvia, Trevorton, Loysville, Colonel Denning State Park, Fairview, and Ferndale, Sidling Hill. The National Weather Service